Disabling two-factor authentication on your Instacart account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or option to disable it. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm your choice. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Instacart account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.